Almost 10 days since I've seen your face, shaking my light. Your mind still on your mind. Tell me why I'm losing sleep. Is it just me? Did you get my message? Miss me the connection. Call me crazy, call me foolish, call me every single thing you wanna call me. You just better call me. All these situation toxic, calling up and don't get off and call me. You just better call me. This is such a I've been up all night just cause I'm turning. Need to hear your voice but I'd rather see you in person. I know records can be juicy, honestly and truly. I'll take what you give me, I don't need too many minutes of your time just to fix tonight.